Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. And in this time I would like to show you a tutorial on how to rename device on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want that your device is easy to recognize by people, or you want the connection like hotspot, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is easy to recognize by other device, you can change your device name. So yeah, it's easy for other to recognize your device. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to about phone, and then after that now you can click rename to change the name of your device. And then so yeah, if you're finished you can click done and your device name already changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next